Hi, I'm Connor from Bud Chevrolet, and today we'll be looking at the 2017 Sonic LT Turbo. This Sonic is finished in Summit White, which suits the car quite nicely and highlights lots of the sporty body lines. The Sonic is powered by a 1.4-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine that pushes out 138 horsepower and 148 pound-feet of torque. This particular Sonic has been equipped with the RS trim option. That includes front fog lights, a rear sport spoiler, and many other interior trimmings that add to the overall sporty feel of the car. Moving on into the interior, we can see the squared off sport steering wheel that is part of the RS package. One of the many interior features of the RS package includes red stitching throughout the entire steering wheel. The red stitching on the steering wheel very nicely complements the red stitching throughout all 4 seats, as well as the matching set of RS floor mat. Listed at just over $15,000, this is a great car at a great price. To learn more about this Sonic, click on the link provided below to visit our website and check out more details. If that's all on the Sonic, please subscribe and stay tuned for more videos on our current inventory.